Hola artistas! Today I'm going to show you how to draw a forward-facing portrait. Let's get started. We're first going to draw the head, la cabeza. What shape is a head? Yep, it's an oval. Since we're going to focus on the face for our portrait, we want to make sure we draw it big. Notice how the head is a little wider at the top and thinner at the bottom, sort of like an upside-down egg. The next step is to draw the neck, el cuello. Make sure your neck is slightly more narrow than your head, but don't make it too thin. You don't want it to look like a lollipop. Next, we have the shoulders, los hombros. What is wider, your shoulders or your head? Correct, your shoulders are wider than your head. Now we're ready to draw our facial features. Let's start with our eyes, los ojos. Our eyes are located halfway between the top of our head and the bottom of our chin. You can draw a horizontal line in the middle to help guide you. I'm also going to draw a vertical line in the center. Faces are symmetrical, meaning they are the same on both sides. So I'm going to lightly draw a vertical line to help maintain symmetry. You can use a ruler to help you. Now we're ready to draw our eyes. Eyes are sort of shaped like almonds or footballs. Try to keep both of your eyes the same size. The space between your eyes should also be about the same. Finally, we're going to draw our iris, which is the colored circle in our eyes. Notice how the iris should touch the top and bottom of your outer eye shape. Then we have the eyebrows, las cejas. Notice how your eyebrows are wider than your eyes. Also, you can express many different feelings and emotions just through the shape of the eyebrows. Now we're moving on to the nose, la nariz. This can often be the most difficult facial feature to draw. Your nose is located halfway between your eyes and your chin. You can lightly draw a line to help guide you. Your nose is also roughly the same width as your eyes. To start, draw a little U shape for the tip of your nose. On each side, draw some narrow ovals for your nostrils. Then draw two curved lines for the side of your nose. Next, notice how your nose is connected to your eyebrows. It curves in to form the bridge of your nose. Moving on to the mouth, la boca. The bottom of your mouth is located halfway between your nose and your chin. Draw a light line as a guide. Notice how your mouth is about the same width apart as the center of your eyes. To draw your mouth, you need to draw your lips. Start off by drawing a curved line. This will be part of your bottom lip. Then draw another curved line connecting the two. Now you have your bottom lip. It sort of looks like a banana. Your top lip has a little dip in the middle. Start off by drawing a small V shape. Then use curved lines to connect it to the end of your lips. I'm going to draw my person smiling, so I'm going to add another line to form my top lip, leaving some space in the middle for my teeth. You can choose any expression for your portrait, and you can always make changes later. Now we have our ears, las orejas. The top of your ears start at about eye level and the bottom end around your nose. You can draw a thin oval shape for your ears. And there you have it. You've used proportions to draw a face. Now it's time to add details to our portraits. Keep in mind that these proportions are just a guideline. All of our faces are different and unique. We need to make adjustments to transform our drawings into portraits. Thanks for watching Art with Miss Paula Lise. Until next time, adios artistas.